In NIST cloud computing reference architecture, the various actors involved in the cloud consumer, cloud provider, cloud auditor, cloud broker, and cloud captor. So this diagram represents the various actors in the cloud. Basically, the cloud consumer wants any services needs. The cloud consumer can directly contact the cloud provider, or the cloud consumer can communicate with the cloud provider through the cloud broker. Here in this case, cloud provider is invisible to the cloud consumer. Then the use of cloud auditor is examining or evaluating the quality of services provided by the cloud provider. Here the audit can take interaction between the cloud provider, cloud broker, as well as cloud consumer. Then the use of or the responsibility of cloud carrier is making transport and connections between the cloud provider and cloud consumer. That is, it will ensure that the services is properly transported to the correct consumer. Then there are various scenarios in terms of the various actors in the cloud. In the first scenario, here the cloud consumer can interact with the cloud broker. This cloud broker can get the service from any number of cloud providers. Here in this case, there is two cloud providers. From these two cloud providers, the cloud broker get the services and it is transported to the cloud consumer. The second scenario, this is the second scenario. Here the cloud consumer can interact with the cloud provider directly for getting any service, and this will maintain service level agreement. The service level agreement is maintained in between the cloud provider and cloud consumer, as well as another one, service level agreement is maintained in between cloud provider as well as cloud captor. Then the third scenario, here cloud consumer can interact with the cloud provider for getting any services, and the role of cloud auditor is to examine or to evaluate the standards of service provided by the cloud provider. That is, whether the service provided by the cloud provider is giving security is properly maintained or privacy is properly maintained. Like that, it will check the quality of services. Then this cloud broker can provide three services. The first one is service intermediation. Second one is service aggregation. And the third one is service architecture. In service intermediation, the cloud broker can get the service from the cloud provider and make some improvement to the existing service and giving a value-added service to the consumer. In service aggregation, the cloud consumer can, cloud broker can communicate with multiple cloud service providers, and all these services are combined or integrated, and the integrated services given to the cloud consumer. The service categories in cloud